Hey guys, it's me. Just doing a video for you guys here today. So today we have a candy box. It's called Kit Kat Pops. I don't know. It's Smarties, which I've tasted before, and Kit Kat, which I've also tasted before in my videos. Sorry guys, having a bad hair day, as you can see. And it has a resealable package, so that's good. So, show you the package again. Oh, so that's kind of cool. It's like, I don't know, I can't really... Oh. So that's the inside. So it has little, so Kit Kat things, and there are Smarties. So they're like Kit Kats, but mini. More chocolate than regular Kit Kat. It's very good. Little snack pack. So, as usual, you can buy that at Candy Fun House. They have pretty good stuff. Candy store there. So, as usual, you can like, comment, subscribe, share the video, comment your favorite Canadian snack, if you've had any. Yeah, have a great day, and comment down below mixture if you've made it this far. Thanks, bye.